Meaning of horsewoman.
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 Horsewoman. The term horsewoman refers to a female who is skilled or experienced in riding horses. It applies to women who engage in horseback riding as a hobby, sport, or profession. Horsewomen can participate in various equestrian activities such as show jumping, dressage, eventing, polo, racing, and trail riding. Being a horsewoman requires not only physical strength and coordination but also a deep understanding and appreciation of horses and their behavior. Horsewomen contribute significantly to the equestrian industry and culture and often serve as role models for aspiring riders, especially young girls.